Hello, welcome back. Sorry, I figured out what the problem was. I burnt one of the pot. You can see the dot in the middle. Yeah, I burnt that. And also, I did with the typing, I did a mistake here with the GPAOC. Instead of GPAOB, I written as GPAOC. So that's the changes. And now I'll go and compile and I'll show you the output. So build the project. As you can see, yeah, I'll show you the output now. Debug as STM32. %. You have to wait. 93%. I'll just take this view off and it's connected. So now I'm going to run. You watch the screen, the LCD display. Yeah, I'm going to run now. See, welcome to A2DG. There you go, it's working now. So I'll go through the program again with you. I'll leave that there. So today we use the header file, the built-in header file. So you got to copy 3 of those files by going to properties. Remember, going to properties, you need to include on C++, go to settings. On the settings, you need to go to MCU GCC compiler and you got to include these 3 paths. Include STM32F4X and include these 3 paths. And also in the preprocessor, you got to include the symbol name STM32F411XC that I showed you. If not, go back and revise it. So to write the header file, you need to put it in quotes, double quotes. And then you declare the macros, and then you define the prototypes with the message, welcome to Digi. You can change anything you like here. How are we? So for instance, you're changing this, and I'll go and compile, and I will also show you the output. I'll relaunch and run. Run this. It's on 4%. It's reloading. So I changed the message, how are we? So we're going to see that output here in the, it's 51%. at the moment the LCD shows welcome to A2DG 79, 89%, 90%. So click switch. $97. So it's ready. So watch the screen now. So I'm going to run. Now it will change to how are we. So it works. So this is how you got to write the program. So I change the program here. The message it shows. So then you got to first initialize the GPIO by doing these three commands: 0x06 enabling GPIO B, GPIO C. Then output modder you got to write 54 because you're writing GPIO B and GPIO C as the output modder. So you got to, if you enable those to as 0101 in the register, you will get 5400. And also the GPIO C modder, you're using data lines D0 to D7. So if you put 1 in those lines, you'll get 45. So that's what we got written here. And then we need to set the enable and read write. So if you put 1 so you'll get C in that. And then first you need to write a LCD command. So you setting RS equal to 0, read write equal to 0. So you just doing an R and you're getting this value as 16. And then the ODR output data register text command, and then you got to enable the bit set and bit reset register to enable that 1 millisecond pulse, and then give a delay, and then you clear that delay, clear that pulse, and then write the general delay function. This is 3195. We're using 16 megahertz as the peripheral clock, and to generate 1 millisecond, if you calculate, you get this value 3195. That's what we used here. Then the LCD data one change, that is you got to set read select as 1. So if you write this as bit set as RR to RS, this means RS equal to 1. Then the rest all the same as the command. And then now you're going to write to the LCD with a few instructions from the hex codes. Writing LCD command 0x38 means you're using 16 by 2, which is this case. And also the second one, 0x0 is set display on and cursor off, so there won't be any blink. And then you're clearing the LCD before the new message comes on. Then it turns on and receives the message. So I changed from welcome to A2DG to how are we, so that's why I showed you two different changes, and give a delay and then call this LCD init in the main program. So this is all today. So let's go back to the so this is what we learned so far today. We learned about the LCD, different types of LCD, and we written display, hello, how are you, how are we, welcome to A2DG in the to display. Now let's do the mindset. As I will minimize this, sorry. As I said, you got to also prepare your mind as well while you prepare your skills. So this is one good example. The universe responds to your frequency. The more you are positive, the more you are doing good deed out there, the more you get out through the form of love, joy, and abundance. So please be prepared to be more positive, more outgoing, more helping tendencies, so that you'll get the rewards back in a lot. So just a little message there. If you read through that, then you will follow that. So please tune to that and be always positive, and you will be okay. And don't forget the mindset involvement. Write your top 10 goals and write your top 10 ideas to achieve those goals, and please at least spend 30 minutes to do your exercise, and spend 15 minutes to meditate, and then 10 minutes to visualize actually you achieved those goals that you written there. And then 10 minutes to focus on the remaining day plan or the tomorrow or the weekly plan. Then 2 hours of learning and taking notes gets you 2 points. Please do post all your achievements. It's for your own goodness sake, and also others get motivated by learning through all of this. So please do post your achievements. There is combo internship coming your way. I didn't want to cram everything into one course, so you already learned about beginner and intermediate. Now we are in the advanced. So to get the full Cortex M4 experience and the knowledge, you need to invest and get all the 3 courses. And please stay tuned with us, and these are all in the way, and you will be the first person to know, so you can also upgrade more in terms of skills upgrade. So I take this opportunity to thank you so much for your time in going through and learning today's session about LCD. Go and enjoy that lovely break from the screen. This is Arul Anbukarasu. I'm signing off on behalf of A2Digi. Huru for now. I'll catch you in the next session. Take care. Bye for now.